So making a plan for an essay. 3 main steps are there in making a plan for an essay. There are 3 main steps. Alright. So what are these main steps? The first one is find a clear theme for the topic. Second, brainstorm. Third, arrange your points in logical order. Okay. So find a clear theme for the topic. That is the first thing you have to do. Finding a clear theme means you find a clear answer, clear response to the essay topic. Or if there is a question, we need to find a clear response. So this is called finding a clear theme. Alright? Hope it is clear. Find a clear theme means you need to find a clear answer to the essay topic. Alright? And second one, brainstorm. So under this second step, you think about your theme, you ask yourself questions, and you make notes of the important points. So you have to think, right? In the second level, when you brainstorm, you have to think about your theme, you have to think about your answer, you have to think about your response, right? And you have to ask questions. Why do I have this answer to this essay topic? And then you have to make notes of the important points, right? You have to make notes of the important points. So then you ask questions, so you come up with solutions, and those solutions are the important points, and you have to write them down, right? Is that clear? You think about your topic, your theme, your answer, and then you ask yourself questions. The important points, the points that you are going to develop in your essay, you have to write down. And third thing is arrange your points in a logical order. The points that you have written down, you have to arrange in a logical order, right? You have to arrange in a logical order. Now let me tell you this. This is very important to understand that brainstorming and arranging points in logical order, right, can be done at the same time. You don't have to use a special time for that. You can simply do it at the same time. Alright, so let's learn it today, how to do that. So then now the 3 steps are clear. You first decide your answer, and second, you think about your answer, and you have to have evidence, you have to have relevant points to prove your answer, and then you have to arrange these points in order. Okay, now look at this example, will you? So again, this is a very famous example because many students have gone through this. So just have a look. The exam topic is, some people say that the best way to improve health is to do regular exercise. Others, however, say that other measures are required. So once again I repeat it. Some people say that the best way to improve health is to do regular exercise. Others, however, say that other measures are required too. Okay. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you know that this is one type of essay called argumentative, right? So then first you have to decide the answer. So you decide the response. So your answer is, your theme is, I will write that exercise is important as well as a healthy diet is required. I write that exercise is important as well as a healthy diet is required. Now here, discuss both views and give your opinion. Now you prove, when you write this theme, your answer, I will write that exercise is important as well as a healthy diet is required. So as a matter of fact, it is very well known that in an argumentative essay, you can have 3 responses. So three different types of answers, right? So what are those 3 different types of answers you can have? Either you can agree with the first party, or you can agree with the second party, or else you can have a balanced opinion agreeing with both parties. All right. So the answer here, according to this essay type or question type, your answer is that through your answer you prove through your theme you prove that you agree with both opinions. You agree with both opinions. So you agree with that exercise is important, and again you say healthy diet is required. So other people say that other measures are required too. So the next requirement is healthy diet. So you have introduced it from your hand and you agree with both parties. It is true. So then, brainstorming and arranging points in order. Now you see, once you have decided the answer to the exam topic, you start brainstorming. You start thinking about your response. And in the meantime, the points that come into your mind, you write in order. So step 2, step 3, we do at once. We follow at once. All right. So then, in planning, we don't have an introduction. We don't have any conclusion. In planning, we have the theme or the main idea that we are going to develop, and it is written in the beginning. And then we plan, we think, or we brainstorm which points we are going to include in the first paragraph in the body of the essay. Right? Which points you are going to develop in the first paragraph of the body of the essay. All right. So then, paragraph 1. So in the paragraph 1, the theme is importance of physical exercise. So you are going to write about the importance of physical exercise. So we will have to give convincing points to say, to prove, or to persuade the examiner to believe that physical exercise is important. So the first point you have written, combats health conditions and diseases. That means the physical exercise combats health conditions and diseases. It controls weight. And that is the second point. It controls weight. And third point is it fights anxiety and depression. So there are 3 points you have written. But let me tell you one thing. When you do develop this paragraph, you don't have to write 3 points in one paragraph. Actually, sometimes it's too much, because when you develop a paragraph with more than 2 points, your paragraph will be a very lengthy one. But if your paragraph is inclusive of 6 to 8 or 6 to 10 lines, that would be enough. So including 2 points with extensions and examples in one paragraph is truly optimum. That's more than enough. All right. So then if you write combats health conditions and diseases as 1 point and you extend it with examples, and then it controls weight, that would be enough. But anyway, you have written 3 points here. Okay. So in order to prove the physical exercise is so important, you have written 2 points. And look at the second paragraph, paragraph 2. The theme of this paragraph is importance of healthy diet, right? So then, now it's clear. In the theme, you have 2 basic ideas. What are they? Exercise is important, healthy diet is required. All right, healthy diet is required. So then, the first paragraph supports the first view of exercise is important, and the second paragraph supports the second idea of healthy diet is required. So you write about the importance of healthy diet. So there the first point is it increases energy levels. It increases energy levels, right? Proper nutrition increases blood flow to your brain. Second point. And the third one, a diet rich in calcium keeps your bones and teeth strong. So again, I must admit, including 2 points in this paragraph